prices and rising. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, Central Hall County in north-central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gainesville, moving southwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, Central Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Southern Hall County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Talmo to Oakwood to Coal Mountain, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Cumming, Sugars Hill, Buford, Brasselton, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Hodgson, Pendergrass, Talmo, West Haven, Kendler, Thompson's Mill, Chateau Elan, Buford Dam Lake Lanier Parks, Coal Mountain, Aquilin Park, Silver City, Chastity, and Chestnut Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.